I'm thirsty. I think I'll get myself a soda from the vending machine. Hey, why won't this mummy go into the vending machine? I want my Coke. I'll have to try again. Are you kidding me? I want my freaking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if it just sit again. Finally. Oh, come on. Why won't this vending machine give me my freaking Coke? I want my Coke. Come on. Give me my Coke. Give me my freaking Coke, you stupid machine. That's it. I'm breaking this stupid vending machine.
Hey, who was a kid? Breaking the vending machine on camera number 2. Oh my god. That looks like a dark Pianitchi breaking the vending machine. That's it. I'm calling the police officer. Hello, police officer. We got to make a problem. There is a dark Pianitchi with break into the vending machine. Get him? Okay. Thanks.
Yes. I finally got my Coke. Serves of stupid vending machine right for refusing to give me my Coke. Oh crap. It's police officer. I better make a run for it.
Oh no. Don't tell me that my son caused trouble.
Yes, your son caused trouble. We caught him breaking a vending machine while trying to get his Coke. Now the vending machine needs to be fixed, and you'll be paying that bill.
You will be paying a $500 bill to fix the vending machine. And we expect a $500 bill to be paid by tomorrow. Have a nice day, and make sure that $500 bill gets paid by tomorrow.
Oh my god, Dark Pianitchi. We can't believe you broke the vending machine while trying to get your Coke. You know breaking a vending machine can get you arrested.
And thanks to you, we now have to pay $500 bill to the security by tomorrow because of you.
But you're very lucky that the security didn't take you to jail. And you will be going to jail tomorrow if we don't pay the $500 bill by tomorrow.
But Mom and Dad, the vending machine kept refusing to give me my freaking Coke. I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter. And your sorry is not going to break the string. You are grounded for 247 decades.
That's right, Mother. You're grounded and that's final. Now go to your room now and go to bed.